This video shows how to buy shares of BNP Paribas SA using the ticker BNP.PA on Euronext with a short educational disclaimer. BNP Paribas is a major international banking and financial services group listed on Euronext under BNP.PA. This is educational content and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. I will use eToro as a neutral example to demonstrate the steps. After signing up, you will normally need to verify your account, which usually requires a government ID, and then add funds to your account before you can buy. Open the broker search bar and enter the ticker symbol BNP.PA to find BNP Paribas SA. Confirm you have selected the correct listing on Euronext before proceeding to the asset page. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart showing recent market activity. Double-check the company name, exchange, and ticker to ensure this is the correct stock. To place an order, choose Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be queued and executed when Euronext reopens. And if there are insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before it finalizes the trade. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the order is executed. For the demonstration link, see the description below for the eToro example.